Assembly instruction, Ranger. Tools needed. Screwdriver, Phillips and slotted 2-in-1. Double open-end wrench. Allen wrench. Step 1. Unpack the bike. Pull the fermined all parts, charger, toolkit, mantle, keys, fuse, pedals out of cardboard box. Ensure all the following Pichasari. Ebike with the Nakto Ranger. Step 2. Install the front wheel. While keeping the lever open, lift the front of the bike and lower the fork onto the wheel axle. Hold the lever in line with axle and tighten the thumb nut on the opposite side. Note: insert the inside gadget into the slot in the video. Use tools to set screws. Then put the rubber sleeve over the nut for protection. Step 3. Adjusting disc brake. Tighten the screws as shown in the video. Fixed adjustment completes this step. Step 4. Install the handlebar. Loosen the bolt on the top of the steer stem with the tool. Remove the stem bolt and washer and set aside. Then you can install the handlebars onto the steer stem. Pass the stem bolt through the washer mounting point and the stem mount. Align the stem so the handlebar is perpendicular to the front wheel. Tighten the screws as shown in the video. Follow the video and set the screws. Step 5. Install the headlights. Unscrew the front screws as seen in the video. Follow the steps in the video to install the front lights and fenders. Fixed headlamp. Step 6. Install the seat. Step 7. Install the pedals. Identify the right and left pedal with this 2-letter. The left pedal's reverse threaded and tightens counterclockwise. The right pedal's threaded to tighten by turning clockwise. Last step: charge the battery. Press the position in the video, plug in the cable, confirm that it is okay. That's finish it. Let's have a look. Register warranty card with us ASAP. Keep proof of purchase in a safe place. Keep packing and box for at least 2 weeks from the date of purchase, as we do not provide a box for return if needed.